In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your TeamDesk account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free online web app Style BI. Now, when it comes to enterprise tools, I'm also a fan of Tableau and Power BI. But when it comes to the free versions, Tableau Public doesn't have any privacy when it comes to dashboards, and Power BI doesn't have shareable dashboards in the free version. So for that reason, I've come to prefer Style BI when I use a free tool. So anyways, I started off by signing into Style BI, and I'm also signed into my TeamDesk account in a different tab. First step is to click Connect to Data Source, and I'm going to scroll down and select TeamDesk from the list of possible data sources. Here it is. Click Create. Okay. Now, first I need to enter my application ID. And to get this, I'm going to flip over to TeamDesk in a browser. And I'm going to click on the database that I want to access. And then in the URL, I'm going to copy the string of numbers that comes right after DB. And I'm going to paste this where it says application ID. Next, I need an application token. So to generate one, I'm going to go back to my database in TeamDesk. I'm going to click the setup icon on the top right. I'm going to select the database tab. And then under tools, I'm going to click integration API. Then under REST API authorization tokens, I'm going to click new. Under the dropdown for impersonate as, I'm going to select myself, click save. And as you can see now, it's generated an authorization token. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it into the authorization token section in Style BI. Click OK. Next step is to click Create a Query, select TeamDesk Query, and I'm going to use the endpoint select table. To use this endpoint, I'm going to need to enter my table name. Now, to get my table name, I'm going to go back to TeamDesk, back to the setup for my database, and I'm going to select my table. Then I'm going to scroll down, and under table, I'm going to click table properties. And now the name that I need to enter for my table name is under general singular name. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it into the table name section. And I'm going to uncheck expand arrays and click OK. Next, I'm going to give my data worksheet a name and save it. Click OK. Next, I'm going to click Create Dashboard. And I'm going to skip through the visualization recommender for now. So I'm going to click Finish, click Continue. And I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Click OK. And next, I'm going to edit my blank dashboard by clicking the pencil icon. Okay, so for my dashboard, I think I would like a chart that displays a breakdown of the sales by both salesperson and product category. So I'm going to drag out a chart, going to click Edit, and using the visualization recommender, I'm going to first select my measure, which is sales total. And then I'm going to select salesperson. So now I have a bar chart breaking down the sales by salesperson. And I'm also going to select product category. Now this defaults to a bar chart where the bars each represent a salesperson, and then the bars are further broken down by color, indicating product category. Now, although I have several other options here under the recommender, I like this option, so I'm going to go with it. So I'm going to click Finish. Okay, so now I have a nice chart showing a breakdown of those sales based on those two dimensions. But I think I would like to drill down into the individual sales records. So I'm going to drag out a table, and I'm going to make it a little bit wider to make sure that it has room for everything I want to include. Click Edit. Okay, and I'm going to include salesperson, and I'm going to include product category, and I'm going to include company, and I'm going to include product name, and I'm going to include sales total. Click finish, and I'm going to stretch out my company column a little bit so that we can see the names of the companies a little bit better. All right, so now I've got a chart that aggregates my sales based on two dimensions. And I also have a table displaying the individual sales. But I think I would like to make it so that my chart can filter my table. So I'm going to right click on my chart, select properties, and then under flyover, I'm going to select my table, click OK. And now when I preview the dashboard, you'll see that when I hover over a salesperson, the table will update to show just the sales for that salesperson. And I can go further by hovering over an individual section of one of these bars to see the sales from that salesperson in just that product category. So, for example, if I just want to see Diana's sales in electronics, I can select it, and the table will continue to show just Diana's sales in electronics. And if I want to investigate those further, I can export the table contents as an Excel file. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls live data from your TeamDesk account.